Imagine, Tisio Ka breaks down on a Monday. Your rent is due on Friday, and your job just announced restructuring. Most Americans would swipe a credit card and hope for the best. But not you, because you've got $10,000 sitting in cash. No panic, no debt spiral, no stress-induced insomnia. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to build a $10,000 emergency fund fast in 2026, even if you're restarting from zero. Not theory, not cutting out lattes. A real, step-by-step blueprint designed for today's economy. Let's get into it. Step 1. Understand why $10,000 is the new minimum. In 2026, $1,000 isn't an emergency fund. It's a speed bump. Average car repairs are $1,500 or more. Unexpected medical bills can cost thousands, and job loss can mean months of expenses. After years of inflation, the cost of living has fundamentally shifted. $10,000 isn't about luxury, it's about leverage. It buys you time, and time is financial power. Step 2. Pick the right place to store it. This is critical. Your emergency fund does not belong in the stock market or crypto. It belongs in a high-yield savings account. In 2026, look at online banks like Sophie or Ally. They offer no monthly fees, FDIC insurance, and competitive interest rates. Your emergency fund has one job: be there when you need it. Step 3. Reverse engineer the goal. $10,000 sounds big, so we break it down to build it in 12 months. That's $834 per month, or about $28 per day. To do it in 6 months, you need $1,667 per month. Aggressive? Yes. Impossible. Not even close. The secret is combining 3 money levers: cut, increase, and automate. Step 4. Cut with precision. Attack the big 3 expenses: housing, transportation, and subscriptions. If you can reduce rent by $300 a month or refinance your car, you are halfway there. You don't need to suffer. You need to optimize. Step 5. Increased income fast. In 2026, side income is normal. Consider freelancing online, asking for overtime, or a 90-day sprint strategy. For 90 days, every extra dollar goes to the fund. This short-term intensity builds long-term safety. Step 6. Automate, so you don't think. Set up automatic transfers from checking to savings a day after payday. Treat your emergency fund like rent. Non-negotiable. Automation builds momentum. Step 7. Avoid the 2 biggest mistakes. Mistake number 1. Investing it. Your emergency fund is insurance, not an investment. Keep it separate. Mistake number 2. Using it for non-emergencies. An emergency is job loss or a medical issue, not a vacation deal. Step 8. The psychological shift. This is bigger than money. At $10,000, you feel different. You negotiate better. You take smarter risks. You stop tolerating bad jobs. An emergency fund is quiet confidence. Step 9. The reality of 2026. We live in uncertain times. You can't control the economy, but you can control your liquidity. And liquidity equals freedom. Final motivation. Most people will watch this video and do nothing. They'll say maybe next month. But things never settle down. You either build protection or you build stress. Start today. Open the account. Set the transfer. 1 year from now, you could have $10,000 in cash and options most people don't have. That's not just money. That's power.